Hello everyone, this is Raman and this is Raman Cat. I prefer to select top plane, pick a circle tool, draw a circle and the dimension should be 270 and then make future extruder 280 and then click the bottom and to sketch, go to slot, state slot and make it is 135 and this should be 360. Go to future extruder 80 mm and now make here fillets. This and this and this should be 15 mm and click here to sketch. There should be 40 and this should be 300 and this to this point should be horizontal. Go to feature extruder cut, make extruder into 30 mm and then again sketch here, make another dia from here 15 mm should be 10 and this should be also 120 and make the extruder of 10 mm and then we make into fillet and give here 20 mm and then go into shell option, give 1 mm to shell, sketch, convert entities and click on OK. Again repeat the process up to here, convert entities, extruder cut, click on OK and now go to front plane to sketch, draw the rectangle this should be 30 and this should be 10 and should be 40 should be 40 10 and now the distance between two 35 35 and this distance should be 30 40 and this should be also 40 and now make this 35 and now go to linear sketch pattern and click this line this and this 30 mm click on OK and then connect this lines and now make this relation and go to feature extruder cut to all both sides. And now we're going to make a blow molding or casting. Now going to mold tools, just click on parting line, and before that just analyze this. I give 3.0.3 in top line. Yeah, it's okay. And go to parting line, top plane, add draft, and come here to click this and click on OK. And now we make a shut off surface. In the shut off surface, already default they selecting those things, and I just clear it all the selection. And now I click on this area and this area and this outer surface, those lines. And click on OK. Just hide this one and then parting surface and make into 250 and click on OK and then sketch here corner rectangle tool, make a rectangle make 230 and 200 and click on OK and go to tooling split and click on OK. Look here wireframe option, enable it and sketch the body, pick the corner rectangle tool, 400 and then make into extruder cut through all and then I just hide this and hide this also. And now go to insert and features, move or copy, gently drag down here and click on OK and then I just right click resend command and I lift here, see those things. If you have any doubt, ask to comment section. Bye guys.